Welcome back for another video from TDL DIY. Today we're going to look at the blower motor resistor module. So this module is connected to your same places where you'd take off the panel for your air filter, cabin filter, sorry. Typically you would, if there's something wrong with your fan, it would be with the speed, usually. This is a control module for speed of your blower motor. Now I'm going to show you how to replace that. Mine is good, but this is the process how to take it off and put a new one on. Now these modules range from $100 to $150 Canadian online, and about $150-ish at Mazda. This is a 2013 Mazda 3. This will work for 2010 to 2013 Mazda 3s. So without further ado, I'm going to show you how to replace it if you have a faulty blower motor resistor. You're going to need a simple tool, which is a Phillips head screwdriver. You might need a flathead just to pry the electrical connection off of the resistor. But here, I'll show you how it's done. So, you just pull this off. It just pulls off. To get better access, take off this bottom panel here. Just like that. Now inside there's two screws holding one screw here and one screw here, and that's the same place where you would change your cabin air filter. So we'll just go ahead and do that right now. There. And that just pops right off. So you're going to want to get this electrical connection off. You can use your finger or thumb or whatever to get it off, or you might need a flathead screwdriver. Oh, mine was pretty easy. I already taken it off before. So inside you're going to have two screws, 1, 2, and you just have to undo those. Just be sure when handling with this, because this is a computer, it is a computer chip essentially, just be careful not to damage this one. There's two different types. There's a card one similar to this, or the exact same as this, and there's another one that kind of looks like a heat sink. It's metal. I've seen on the 2010 GT version of Mazda 3, and it's basically it looks like a heat sink. It's like a metal housing about this wide, and it's got a couple slits in it. But it's the exact same procedure. So once those screws are out, module comes out just like that. So that's your module. That might be the part number right there. I'd have to double check. Just check online, or go to Mazda and ask them what your part number is, and that's how you get it. You can buy replacement parts online, Rock Auto, for example, eBay, maybe Amazon, or you can go to your local scrapyard. If you see a Mazda 3 in there, similar year, 2010 to 2013, yeah, pull it out, see if it works. Can't go wrong. It's probably real cheap at a scrapyard instead of paying about $150, and that's good. One way to determine that this is no longer working. Pop a new one in. Like I said before, typically if you're turning up your speed on on your dial, and you're really not hearing the fan increase in speed. It's probably because the resistor. Yeah, that's about it. So we're gonna put it back together, and there's only one way to go. It goes in. Might be hard to see, but there's a little plastic pin there, which will go right here. So you just put it in, and then put your screws back in. So once that's in, put your electrical connection back together. Might have to push it in, squeeze it a little bit. There you go. Hear the click, and it's in seated properly. Seated on. Put your 2 screws back in. And there you go, it's that easy. Just gonna put the panels back on. Just make sure you get this panel slides in. Yeah, once that slides in and lines up, just push it in, and that's all done. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you like the videos you've been seeing so far, feel free to subscribe. There'll be more videos coming, and hopefully this helps save a little bit of money. You know, it could cost a good bit taking it to a shop or the dealer. So, you know, it's very simple. Why not do it yourself? This was a full video on how to do it. Yeah, if you like, feel free to subscribe. Hopefully this works out for you guys.